Today, I have a gym for you guys right in the heart of downtown Siem Reap. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, let's go upstairs and check out. We're gonna see two rooms here, guys. They're basically standard. We've got the hostel side. We're gonna show you guys what the hostel's like, and if you want to spend a little bit more for a hotel. All right, guys, we're gonna check out room 222 right now, 222. So if you guys come here, it's available, you can request it. All right, let's check it out. All right, 222. Wow, I like the artwork there. Very Khmer, very clean. Wow, it's ice cold in here too. I can tell the aircon's running. I like the kettle. Get some coffee for the morning. A nice little work table here. I like the big TV. I think it's a smart TV as well. A nice view of the outside there. Full-size bed, built for two, or if you want to lounge out as one person. This is the hotel side, guys, and the prices start right now as a filming $38. You get yourself a nice hotel safe. I like the robes. That's a nice added touch. Check out this closable shower here. It's definitely not see-through. All right, typical Khmer shower, hot water built in already. All right, so don't mind if you don't see the heater. And then nice little Asian style toilet with the bum gun. Come on, guys, gotta love the bum gun. All right, and then we got the nice mirrors so you can see both ways there. It's a very basic room. I like the young hipster style look. It's definitely geared towards the younger crowd. But this hotel room is gonna be $38 starting price. At the end of the video, we'll talk about how much the hostel is, okay? Let's go check out the hostel room right now. All right, this is the hostel side over here across the hall, room 202. And this one here is, we'll talk about the price here in a minute, but this is shareable. So if you rent this, you're gonna be sharing it maybe with somebody else. There's up to 4 people here. You get your nice little locker. And this is a really budget-friendly way for you backpackers out there that are young or even older that want to travel around. Nice private bunk, okay? It looks like you got like a little private safe there. And we've got another bunk here. Nice dramatic steps to go up top. And a nice railing so you don't fall out after a night at Pub Street. All right. And this does have a remote control for the air conditioning and is a non-smoking room. I do believe the whole place is non-smoking unless you're outside. All right, we're gonna go upstairs now and we are gonna check out the pool and sky bar where they've got the delicious food. And here's the elevator. Let's go check it out. And we've arrived. Guys are down here at nighttime enjoying a nice dinner at the pool. This place really comes alive. They've got live music, guys. Live music. Usually it's a Khmer band, which I love. And it's just a nice little bar setting right out here. You can swim in the pool. Place is lit up with all kinds of lights, all the water. It's awesome. How about this club sandwich? Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my God. Look at the bacon. All the beautifulness right there, guys. Who's hungry now? They got some great food here. Got a nice selection of frog here. Sauteed with some spicy. And we got salmon, guys, right here, fresh salmon. And this is that crab. And we got a little bit of nuts there and some spicy. Wow. The dessert presentation is impressive. Look at that mint leaf. I like that. The homemade ice cream. Got a nice little coffee shop here. You know, in Cambodia, some of the best croissants you can get in the world besides France is right here in Cambodia, because the French were here for a long time, and for some reason they've passed down the art of making croissants here. But right here they got a fresh baked and a beautiful coffee shop for those of you guys who want to lounge, do some work, or whatever it is that you like to do online. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. I say this, the good is there's a lot. The food was exceptionally delicious. I really like the baklahon. That I haven't had that in a few months now, and I'm really glad I had it here. Presentation was really good. I also enjoyed the club sandwich. The bacon was crispy, and it was almost smoky, which is very hard to find in Cambodia. The pool looks very refreshing, although I did not swim. I have swam here before, and it is very comfortable. It's almost like swimming in the ocean down in Florida. It's actually warm because Cambodia is warm. I did like the cleanliness of the rooms. That was also another great point. Now, mind you, this is a hostel and hotel, so this is kind of geared for the hipster crowd. For those of you guys who've been to Cambodia before, and maybe you've stayed at Wonders Hostel, or maybe you've heard of it, Krong Island, also here in Siem Reap, this is going to be very similar to that. That would be considered their competition, okay? And also, I felt the $38 was a fair price. This is a brand new place. It is smack dab downtown. You are literally a half a block away from Pub Street, but yet far enough away you won't hear all the music and debauchery. So that's one pro there. The bad. I don't know a lot of bad here, other than if you're looking for more of an upscale experience, you might want to check out Raffles or even the Hyatt in town. But I think for the value, if you're here for a few days just to see Angkor Wat, this is centrally located. There's a lot of good things going for this place. It's walkable right to the river here, evening stroll, especially if you're with your lady. I mean, it's got a lot of pros to it. And for what it's worth, okay, they do take Visa, MasterCard, AVA, and cash. Cash is king here. Of course, you're going to pay in Cambodian rial or US dollars. They don't take much else. But that being said, this is definitely a great place for your value, and the moment you've been waiting for is the price of the hostel is $9 US and 90 cents. You heard me right, $9.90. Wow, what a bargain. Now granted, that's geared towards somebody who wants to share a bunkhouse basically with strangers. Like I said, that's going to be more towards your backpacker crowd who's here on a budget. You're just kind of slow traveling the world, and that's great for some people. So if that's your style, this is a great value. It's centrally located, and you won't be disappointed. The staff here speaks very good English, and I was quite impressed with the customer service, the food presentation. Overall, it was a really good vibe I got. I'm happy I was able to make this video for you guys. But until next time, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. See you guys in the next video.